This video is SpinnerChief web tutorial. Enables means SpinnerChief will check the part of speech of words. Check the grammar. Rules mean to select the appropriate synonym. Choose rule means use the cloud rule. Neg means inappropriate synonym. We can delete the inappropriate synonym in the desktop version. Choose neg means to use cloud neg. T stands for selecting best synonym. B stands for selecting better synonym. G stands for selecting good synonym. A stands for selecting all synonym. Clear synonym button. Spin tree. Split the article into paragraph and sentences. Here select a sentence. Now you can a sentence to replace. Same way to replace the paragraph. Auto spin the whole article. Spin to the new article. Remove original word. Or spin to syntax format. Add the protected words here. SpinnerChief will not spin the protected words. Choose thesaurus quality. Synonym amount means how many synonyms in syntax format. 1 and spin frequency means will spin all words. 2 means spin half words. And so on. Super spin. I choose to spin to readable and unique. Enable sentence spin means SpinnerChief will spin the whole sentence. Spin A, B and C will shuffle the sentence and paragraph. Protect HTML tag in the article. Spin words in syntax format. Here I keep the default setting. Now get new articles from Spun Articles. Click Get New Article, you will get another new article. I choose to get 10 articles. In the desktop version, you can compare the spun article. Save as on your account cloud. Add a new category. Thanks for watching.